how to make Google pay attention to your site. Find keywords that people actually search for. If you're targeting the wrong keywords, then you're simply wasting your time. Either you're going up against sites that you're never going to beat, or you're ranking for stuff that no one even searches for. So stop guessing. Use Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or Wix's built-in SEO tools to find keywords that people actually look for but aren't impossible to rank for. Long-tail keywords, those 3 to 5 word phrases, are where the real wins are going to happen. For example, instead of trying to rank for digital marketing, try digital marketing for small businesses. Less competition, higher intent, better chance of ranking. Make sure that Google can actually read your pages. Once you've got the right keywords, they need to show up where it matters most. That means optimizing your titles, tags, meta descriptions, headers, and content. Basically making it stupidly obvious to Google what your page is actually about. Every page should have a clear, keyword-rich title, but not a spammy one, a meta description that actually gets clicks, and proper headers, H1, H2, H3s, to structure your content. And again, if you're using Wix, this is dead simple. You can tweak all of these settings in the Wix SEO dashboard without touching any code. Google simply loves organized content, and this is one of the fastest ways to boost your rankings. Okay, but now let's talk about something that can make or break your site's rankings: how fast and mobile friendly it is. Your website needs to be fast and mobile friendly. Look, nobody, especially Google, has the patience for a slow, clunky website these days. If your site takes longer than 3 seconds to load, then most visitors are gone before they ever read a word. You can test your speed with Google PageSpeed Insights. If the numbers are bad, then compress images, cut out unnecessary scripts, and maybe, just maybe, stop running 10 pop-ups at once. And if your site still looks weird on mobile, then that's an instant ranking penalty. Google prioritizes mobile first, so make sure that your site isn't a mess on smaller screens. Wix automatically optimizes for speed and mobile, so if you're using it, then you're already ahead of the game. Your content also needs to keep people around. If someone lands on your site and bounces in 2 seconds, then Google assumes that your content is trash. The longer people stay, the better your rankings will be. So what do you do to fix this? Well, make your content actually useful. No fluff, no keyword stuffing, just clear, helpful answers so what people are searching for is actually what they get. Use bullet points, visuals, and headers to keep things readable, and if your page looks like a giant wall of text, then no one's going to be reading it, including Google's bots. Wix's blogging tools make this super easy, helping you structure content properly and even suggest SEO-friendly improvements. But now let's talk about backlinks, which are Google's way of trusting you. Google trusts sites that other sites trust, and backlinks are proof of that. But not all links are created equal. A few solid ones from authoritative sources beat 100 random spam links. So how do you get them? Well, find sites that are linking to similar content and pitch yours. If they link to a competitor, they might link to you. You can also turn mentions into links, because if someone references your brand but doesn't link, then ask them to. Leverage partnerships, guest posts, industry roundups, or collaborations can all lead to quality links. And it all starts with creating link-worthy content. Unique research, case studies, or tools naturally attract backlinks. And skip those shady link building tactics, because Google sees right through those. Focus on quality over quantity, and your rankings will follow. SEO is pretty simple if you can just get the basics right. Forget the hacks or shortcuts or whatever that guru on YouTube is trying to sell you. Ranking on Google is about giving Google, and therefore the reader, exactly what it wants. And what does Google want? Well, a fast, user-friendly site with useful content and legit backlinks. That's it. If you get those things right, you will rank higher over time. Now, if all of this sounds overwhelming, then here's the good news. Wix handles most of this for you, and you don't need to mess with coding or SEO plugins. Keyword targeting, well, Wix's SEO Whiz helps you find the right ones. Page optimization, well, you can edit titles, tags, meta descriptions, and headers in seconds. Site speed and mobile friendliness, well, again, Wix does that automatically. SSL security, built in, no setup needed. You don't have to be an SEO expert, just the right tools for the job. Let's take a quick look at Wix's SEO dashboard. Here you can customize every key SEO setting, from titles, tags, meta descriptions, structured data, all in one place. No coding, no extra plugins, just a few clicks and you're optimized. That's why if you're using Wix, you already have a major head start over most website owners. But now I want to hear from you. What do you think is the most important factor for ranking on Google? Is it keywords, site speed, backlinks? Drop us a comment down below and let's talk. And if you're ready to take control of your SEO, then check out Wix using the link down in the description. It's got all of the best tools that you need to get your site ranking faster. And if you want more tips on SEO and digital marketing, then check out our other videos. We've got plenty more to help you grow your website. Hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.